This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation,